Yeah, indeed, we confirm that we woke up to sad and disturbing news about the passing of one of our own, Comrade Nkosenja Mshezi, who was a member of parliament in Cape Town. He has been sick for a very long time. We last saw him last year in parliament. After that, he was in and out of hospital. We are very disturbed as the MK party because he has played a very huge role in the intellectual being of the movement. So it's a huge loss for the organization. But we can say that at this stage, we pass our condolences, our sincere condolences to the family, to his family, and make an undertaking that we are going to be with them during this difficult moment. We will go and meet the family and hear about the preparations for the funeral, and thereafter we will be able to advise on the nitty-gritties of the funeral. No, he contributed largely in Parliament. He was a member of Parliament. He was a member of different portfolio committees in Parliament. He was a very energetic individual, very loyal to the aims and objectives of the organization, very loyal and disciplined comrade. So we've lost a cadre. We've lost a cadre who dedicated himself and his life to the livelihood of the organization from its inception in 2023, December on the 16th, when the announcement was made by the president. So he played a very huge role. He was a very clever comrade. He was a very energetic person. He contributed during the caucus meetings in Parliament. And he was always advocating for unity. He was always speaking against factionalism and divisions in the organization. So we've lost a cadre, and we don't think that it's going to be easy to replace a person of his caliber. No, it will impact largely because a loss of one member is a huge loss to the organization. And worse when that member has been committed to the organization, and worse when that member has dedicated his life to the movement, because his role, he's going to leave a void in the organization that is not going to be easily replaced, because it's not easy nowadays to get people who are genuinely committed to the aims and objectives of the organization. People join political parties for various reasons. Some join political parties for material gains. Some join political parties for opportunistic reasons. But I can tell you for free now and with confidence that Comrade Nkosenja joined the MK party when it was not fashionable. No one knew that the MK party will be an official opposition after the elections, after the previous elections. So people who joined during that time took risk, because they took risk of losing opportunities in South Africa, because the party that was in government was a very vindictive party, the ANC, which was very intolerant to dissenting views. So he took that decision when it was not fashionable and when it was very risky. Remember, the news are very still new. We received them this morning. So before we started the meeting, the message was conveyed that Comrade Mshezi is no more, and we gave him a moment of silence, and that was a sign of showing respect. So the president has not had an opportunity at this stage to make a reflection, but definitely that is inevitable. He is going to make a reflection, because Comrade Mshezi was not just an ordinary, in his heart, was not just an ordinary comrade, but he was an ordinary comrade of a special kind who supported him when it was not fashionable to do so. So he will definitely make reflections. Like I said earlier, we are going to make a visit. We are going to pay a visit to his family. We're just allowing them some time because the news have been received today. And then today or tomorrow, when we conclude our meetings, we'll ensure that we go to his family and share our tears with them.